The Food and Drug Administration is ordering a Las Vegas company to recall all of its dietary supplements containing the ingredient kratom. It is linked to a nationwide salmonella outbreak. The FDA says this is its first mandatory recall for a tainted food product. The agency says 26 items with kratom from 4 companies, including the one from Las Vegas, tested positive for salmonella. There are nearly 90 reported infections in 35 states. Anna Werner is here with the concerns over kratom. Anna, good morning.
Good morning. Well, some consumers argue that kratom can be an alternative pain medicine or a treatment for opioid withdrawal, but the FDA says kratom has not been proven safe and effective, and the salmonella outbreak is adding to existing concerns over loosely regulated dietary supplements.
When I first started reading about it, it sounded like snake oil to me.
Andrew Turner is a military veteran who turned to kratom 3 years ago to help with pain from service injuries and PTSD.
Pharmaceutical solutions were not working in my situation, and I was steadily deteriorating.
Turner uses kratom powder to make tea. He buys it online from a company he says follows the strictest manufacturing and testing standards and shares those test results with customers. Since early March, 3 companies that sell kratom products have issued voluntary recalls at the FDA's request due to salmonella contamination. But on Tuesday, the agency issued its first mandatory recall order for all of Triangle Pharma Naturals LLC's food products containing kratom. FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb said in a statement, this action is based on the imminent health risk posed by the contamination of this product with salmonella and the refusal of this company to voluntarily act.
We commend the FDA for taking swift action to protect the public.
Chuck Bell is the programs director for Consumers Union, the policy division of Consumer Reports. He says dietary supplements like kratom run the risk of containing contaminated ingredients.
The issue is that they're not subject to pre-market safety testing. So unlike prescription drugs, they've not been shown to be either safe or effective.
But Turner says he worries tougher regulations on kratom may cut off access.
People should be able to make a decision for themselves and weigh the risks versus the benefits, look at the research that's available out there.
The FDA is advising consumers to avoid kratom and kratom-containing products. The agency says it will continue working with the Centers for Disease Control to investigate the ongoing outbreak. Triangle Pharma Naturals did not respond to our request for comments. We were unable to reach them. But there's a lot of kratom fans out there, too, who swear by it, and they don't want it off the market.
All right. Interesting that it's the FDA's first mandatory recall, too.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Anna.